Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. As requested, I will give voiceover another try, so bear with me. In today's video, I will show you how to design a brush holder, also called a brush rest, in Shapr3D for 3D printing. I am working on my iPad Pro, but Shapr is also available on computer. Let's start with a sketch. Select the bottom plane. Shift over a bit so you can see the 0 point. Draw a rectangle from the 0 point and size it to be 90 by 50 mm. Click on the dimension to change it, type in 90 and hit enter. Same over here. Click on it, 50 and tick. Inside that, draw another rectangle. Make the bottom edges align and leave 5 mm spacing on the other 3 sides. To do this, select 2 lines and change the dimension to 5 mm. Perfect. Now exit the sketch on the left-hand side. Rotate your view. Select the outer contour and extrude it by 5 mm. Now select the inner contour and extrude it by 3 mm. This creates the drip tray. Next, create a new sketch on the side of the tray. Select Sketch and then select the surface. You can zoom in to make it easier. Use lines to draw the spiky contour where the brushes will rest. Start at the 0 point, draw up, and then draw zigzag over to the other side. Finish the other side with a vertical line to the bottom and then draw another line to the 0 point. This will close off the contour. Use constraints to keep the outer lines vertical. Make both outer lines 20 mm tall. From the lower points to the bottom line should be 5 mm, and from the top points to the bottom line 20 mm. These will all be 5 mm and the top 20 mm. Perfect. Now make the spacing 15 mm. If you click on the little symbol next to the dimension, you can switch between dimension types. Absolute, which will follow the line, horizontal or vertical. Adding the dimensions for all of them will take a bit, but you will get faster the more you use Shapr. Well done! Now that is all set, the sketch is ready to extrude. I like to clean up my dimension lines, but this is not necessary. Exit the sketch and then open the side panel and hide the other bodies. Hiding parts of a model can make it easier to select the contour you want. Now extrude the contour. If you like, you can unhide the other bodies for reference to decide how long you want to make the brush rest compared to the tray. I will set mine to 13 mm. When extruding, this symbol lets you choose the type: union, new body, subtract or intersect. We will go with union to make it one body. The last step is adding fillets. Select the corner you want rounded. Dragging the arrow one way gives you a fillet, the other way gives you a chamfer. We will go with fillets. I will set the 2 middle ones to 5 mm and the 2 outer ones to 2 mm. And the lower ones 8 mm. It's sometimes hard to hit the lines and of the surfaces, but you will get there. Making this wider provides room for larger brushes too. Well done, you designed the brush rest. It is now ready for export for 3D printing. Go to Share, select Export as a file, it's down here. Choose STL file and click on Export. Open it in your slicer and choose the settings depending on what filament you're using. I am using Bambu Black PLA on my Bambu Lab A1 printer, as you can see here. I printed it sideways because I wanted the curve to be very smooth. The print took about 40 minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to check out my other videos if you'd like to learn more about designing your own 3D printed tools. You can also join my Facebook group, 3D Printing for Crafters, to share your projects, ask questions, and connect with other makers. Link is in the description below. I'll see you next time. Bye!